Hi everyone and welcome to today's practice. My name is Kseni and today I'm going to take you through a 15-minute feel-good stretching routine. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos and would like to make Qigong a daily practice, consider joining my 21-day beginner program. Each day will bring you something new, whether it's energy, stress relief, or sleep, and can help you build a regular and more confident practice at home. You can find more information on ksenigrey.com or join today with a few simple steps. Let's begin today's practice. We're going to begin in a standing position with your feet firm on the ground. Unlock your knees. Relax your hips by tucking your tailbone slightly in. Relax your lower back. Keep your spine nice and long, your shoulders relaxed. And take a few seconds here to simply become aware of your body. Notice how you feel. Then slowly raise your hands forward to about shoulder height. And continue reaching forward through your fingers. Feel the space between your shoulder blades opening up. Then release a little bit, open to the sides. Feel a pleasant stretch across your chest. Continue reaching through your fingers. Then turn your palms down and lift up, fingers pointing towards the sky. Release gently. Turn your palms up. Then go behind, opening through the chest and press upwards as if you're lifting something overhead. Continue to raise up on your toes. Feel your entire body nice and long. Release the position. And this is the moment when you relax your entire body. Just feel this wave of relaxation traveling down. We go again. Slowly reach forward. Your arms and fingers feel long, long, long. Let go a little bit to open through the sides. Bend your wrist and stretch a little bit deeper. Feel a stretch coming from the center of your chest. Release. Turn your palms up. Going behind and up. Begin to lift slowly. As if you're lifting your entire body by the top of the head. Release the position. Begin to relax from the head down the face, the neck, the shoulders, the back, the rib cage, the abdomen and the lower back, your hips all the way down to your feet. One more time, slowly go forward. Open up. Begin to expand, to open your chest. Flip your palms down. Stretch upwards. Release. Slowly go behind. And lifting your entire rib cage. Lifting up. Come up on your toes. Your spine feels nice and long. Slowly release and soften down. Take your time. This is a good moment when you can feel the energy moving freely, moving better. Very good. Let's take a break by rotating our hips. You continue to feel pleasant warmth and sensations building up in your hands, chest, upper back. Then draw your attention to your hip area. Notice how you're doing there today. Keep the movement slow and steady, fairly controlled, fairly even. So you're drawing a perfect circle on the ground with your hips. Be gentle to your lower back without pushing too far inward. Focusing primarily on your hips. And then when you're ready, change the direction. Your feet are firm on the ground, your knees are fairly straight. So all the motion is happening right here. Very good. One more time. Then bring yourself back to center in a nice, comfortable posture. Get yourself on one leg. We're going to circle the leg forward. Begin to open up through the hip. Get the blood moving to the legs. Make sure you feel nice and stable through your other leg. Change the direction. Go backwards. Very good. One more time. And let relax. Bring your attention to your leg and notice the difference between the two. Notice what changed. What response are you getting from your body? What is telling you? Definitely feels different, feels lighter. Very good. So we do the same. Begin forward rotations, forward circles. Make sure your knee on this leg is soft. So you almost get that bouncy feel. Your joints are never locked when you're practicing. Last one, forward and roll back. Nice and easy. This is great for daily practice. I try to include leg exercises pretty much any time. Last one. Very good. Put it down. Take your time here to simply notice and observe what your body is telling you. Very, very good. Bring your feet back parallel. We're going to do the whole body, nice full body stretch. So from here, go forward, Neck and shoulders nice and relaxed. Palms facing down. Then spiral into your loose fist and slowly come up. Bringing your hands towards the rib cage or the last floating rib. Slowly turn to the side. A good rotation across the abdomen and the lower back. Extend. Your eyes follow the hand. We're going to turn all the way to the back. Without trying too hard, find a point that feels good. You feel that stretch. You can probably still go a little bit further, but you don't because you want to stay comfortable. Opening up through the chest, through the shoulder. Then bend your elbow. Return to straight and lift upwards. Same time, place your other hand on your lower back. Slowly turn to the side. Come back. Open up through the other side. Return. Bringing your hand down, begin to relax. Neck, shoulders, upper back, chest, rib cage. Go forward. And with a straight back, grab yourself somewhere when it's comfortable. Turn away. Continue to rotate until you can see your heel. Roll back. And turn to the other side, same manner. Make sure your spine feels nice and straight, lengthening through the back of the neck. Come back to center. We release, making the hands into loose fist. Come up. Stay relaxed. Stay soft. Pay attention to all the muscles, all the joints in your body. We turn to the other side. Going all the way to the back. Opening up through the shoulder. Soften your knees. You come back. Pressing upwards. Same time, cover your lower back. Lean to the side. Return. All the stretches should feel nice. You feel the stretch, but it's pleasant. You're still breathing. You're still nice and relaxed. Go forward and down. And again, turning away from the hand. Look at your heel. Back to center. Easy on the lower back. You don't have to turn too much. Just becoming aware of your spine. Very good. Come back. Release both hands, neck and shoulders. Spiral. Lift and relax. Take a moment to relax your lower back. This is important. So dropping your tailbone down, sinking the weight into your legs and feet, really opening up through the lower back. And then to relax even more, begin to move slowly. Beautiful spinal wave. And you want to achieve here a sense of deep relaxation, a sense of opening through the spine, a sense of comfort and fluidity through your muscles, through your bones. Think of the big waves in the ocean. When the ocean is breathing, sometimes it's barely visible, but there is movement. There's currents, there's dynamic, there's life. So recreate that within your body. Opening up through the joints, releasing all the stagnation, all the blockages. Especially across your lower back area, trying to take all attention away from that area. So if you notice yourself going forward too much, going down and up, going down and up. Your head remains straight, your spine is fairly straight. Begin to slow down naturally. Back to straight, back to the good posture, good alignment. And just take a moment here to feel your body. Very good. Take a nice big breath in. Slowly guiding the energy, guiding your awareness to your lower belly, place where we store the energy. Just get yourself aligned and centered. A few seconds to focus on yourself, the sensations within, so you feel calm, balanced, and present. Release your hands and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this routine, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. And you guys already know that if you like to practice longer routines or join me live every Sunday on Zoom, you can join my membership site. I'm going to have more details for you in the description below. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.